Hi everybody, it's Francesca here from I Heart Songwriting Club. I've just been online and I've been listening to some of the kids who are writing in our summer songwriting course and listening to some of the songs I've been writing over the past 10 weeks. And I tell you what, it fills my heart with so much joy to hear these 10-year-olds and 12-year-olds, 14-year-olds and 16-year-olds writing songs every single week. And their mentor, who is an incredible touring artist around Australia, Sam Buckingham, is doing this particular group that I was listening to. Check out Sam Buckingham. But I was listening to the songs and reading the feedback, and I'm just absolutely loving it. We are actually have our enrollments open for term 1 of our songwriting course for kids, which actually starts in September. Not in September. That is far away. February. So we have early bird rates open till February the 1st. So if you're a kid who wants to actually learn how to write songs, and if you want to practice your songwriting and get expert feedback, and I truly mean that, these songwriters are amazing, you can actually be a part of our totally online songwriting course for kids through I Heart Songwriting Club. Just go to iheartsongwritingclub.com and then click on the menu for kids, and you can find out all about it and join up now. And as I said, if you join by February the 1st, you get $100 off. So, like, why wouldn't you want to take that? Have a fabulous day, everybody.